Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase email subscribers with Mailchimp, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit Mailchimp.com and sign up by entering your email, username, and password. Once your account is created, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, select Audience to set up your email list. If prompted, create a new audience by clicking Create Audience. Provide necessary information such as the audience name, default email from name, and email address. Make sure to enable the double opt-in option for better engagement. Go to Sign Up Forms and choose your preferred type of form, like embedded, pop-up, or landing page. Customize the sign-up form to match your brand's style and messaging. Include essential fields such as name and email address. Once you are satisfied with your form design, save and publish it. Now, integrate the sign-up form into your website or blog. If you're using WordPress, you can install the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin. After installing, follow the plugin's instructions to connect your Mailchimp account. Additionally, consider using social media to promote your sign-up form. Share the link to the form on your social media channels regularly. Create engaging content related to your form that encourages shares. Leverage incentives like exclusive content, discounts, or freebies to encourage signups. You can create a dedicated landing page on your website specifically for email subscriptions. Ensure this page highlights the benefits of subscribing. Use email marketing campaigns to promote your sign-up form. Create compelling emails that revisit the benefits of being part of your audience. Monitor your audience growth using Mailchimp's analytics feature. Keep track of the performance of your sign-up forms with A/B testing. Adjust your strategies based on what is working and what isn't. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.